So today I'm gonna show you how to make some really cool coffees. One of them is Espresso Freddo, iced coffee, it's popular in Greece. The other one is Dalgona white coffee, that is Asian and it's kind of popular nowadays. And the third one is a really weird coffee that you've never seen before, I think. It's the Navajo Coffee and it's made with flour. You put flour inside. Sounds weird, but you're gonna see soon. Woo, let's go. So for the beginning, I want to say that you can use normal sugar, white crystal sugar, but for me the best sugar is the soft brown sugar, the dark one. And so if you can see, it's super soft. So I insist you try some soft brown sugar because most of them are real. The brown sugars you find in the supermarket that are crystallic, hard ones, 99% they are just white sugar with colorings. So I have here my espresso shot, and if you try this sugar, you will see that it tastes a little bit different. It has some molasses, we call them in Greece, and this flavor goes perfectly with your coffee. So we have our espresso shot ready. We'll take one ice in the jar, and we'll use long life whole milk. This one makes amazing foam. We put some milk inside with one ice cube. The ice cube is gonna help the milk become a foam way faster. Now we are gonna use this tool to turn our milk into a foam. You can find this thing on Amazon, and I'm gonna use it on the next coffee as well, you're gonna see soon. We'll have to wipe it until it becomes double in size, nearly. As you can see, the milk doubled its size, and it got a velvety texture. You will see it up close when you do. On this point we will add 2 more ice cubes. We'll add some cinnamon, in you go. And of course our espresso shot, in you go. I want you to check out the separation here, that our coffee is on the ground. This means we did the milk perfectly. And as you can see, we are ready to enjoy this coffee. It's perfect for the hot summer day. So if you tried, tell me in the comments below how amazed you were. Woo. So for the Dalgona coffee, our base is milk. It's actually the opposite of the previous coffee, that we had coffee downstairs and milk on foam upstairs. Now we have milk as a base downstairs and the coffee is gonna be a cream on top of it. And some ice. 1, 2 is enough. So for the whipped coffee, we'll use a little bit of water. On this one we'll put some normal sugar because it helps to make the right texture. And our instant coffee. So you whip it until it becomes super creamy. And so you can see the separation here. We have on the bottom the perfectly white milk, and on top the foam of the really rich coffee. And when you stir them, they start to mix as you drink. So we got paper straws because you can't really even find plastic straws anymore. We cut a little bit to present it better. So let's go to the next one. So for the Navajo coffee, the weird one, we start by baking some white flour on a pan until it becomes golden brown. Then we got some filtered coffee that we're gonna use. It's a hot coffee, this one, it's not a cold one. Then we're gonna use sugar, and they say that even if you get your coffee black, you have to add some sugar on this one. They put way more than that, but I'm gonna stay with this one to try it. We got our golden flour, and we're gonna start pouring inside and mixing. To me this one smells a little bit like baked nuts.
To me it looks nasty.
The Navajos are Indians, you know that?
No.
Native Americans. The Americans used to give them some stuff after taking the land, I guess. They started giving them some basics, and they gave them coffee, flour, sugar, oil and stuff like that. And the Navajos didn't know how to cook them. So they came up with this recipe. It's super interesting, right? The story behind it. How they start mixing the different ingredients because they had no idea how to use them, and they came up with something really weird. You can see how thick it became, right? So it's time to try this. Kinda looks like baby food at the moment to me. It smells like cookies, I think. It's the first time I'm gonna fucking try it. Man, super weird. It does remind me a little bit baby food, and it doesn't taste like coffee at all to me. All the coffee smells and flavors are gone. Brings me some nut flavors. I want you to try that a little bit. Tell me your idea.
It's like a warm pudding,
Yeah,
you know?
right?
Yeah, but not too sweet.
I should put more sugar. I didn't put because of you. Because I want you to try.
No coffee at all.
Right? That's so weird.
It's like liquid cookies.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Man, it's amazing. I wanna try it with extra sugar, to be honest. I might try it later.
So weird, man. I never tried anything like that. I wouldn't drink it twice.
Yeah, it's just interesting to make a test.
It's one-time experiment, you know?
So guys, that's it for today. I will leave you to enjoy my Navajo coffee. And please, if you try this at home, write me in the comments below what do you think about it, because it's super weird, it's super fun as an experiment. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.